Hey, good morning, everybody. Happy Wednesday. It's time for our chart of the week. It's June 10th, and we're going to focus in on a little spicy meatball over here. This is Tesla, TSLA. And let's take a look at this chart. It's not looking all that great right now, but I think that once the SpaceX IPO comes out, this stock is going to get some traction. It's going to get some more interest as well, too. So I think using this recent pullback is going to be a good opportunity to add some shares, maybe even buy some call options as well, too. So the downtrend is certainly in place. Is very well defined here. Lower highs, lower lows, but we do have a small series of higher lows in place with lower highs and higher lows. So that tells us that Tesla is in the middle of a no man's land or no trend right now. Relative strength has been weaker. We've seen good on balance volume. MACD has rolled over a little bit. We did have a very high selling print on Friday, June 5th. You can see that big red bar down over here. Prior to that, we did have some support in these higher lows from April, but that fell. And we're now down below the 20-day moving average, but in between the 50 and the 200-day moving average. Here's the 200-day moving average right here. The jury is out on this one right now, but I do think that the fact that the stock has sold off quite sharply from about 455, excuse me, all the way down to 396. That's about a little more than a 10% move down. That was probably enough to wash out some of the froth and some of the speculative players that were in Tesla. So I'm not looking for a huge bump here, maybe right back up above the 450 level or slightly a little higher than that. If we do get a bit higher than that 460 level, we do have a gap that needs to fill at about 475. I think the stock can get up there. This needs to get a little bit of energy to the upside, fill this little space over here and get moving upwards. So that could happen within a couple of days. And again, the SpaceX IPO is going to be going to create a lot of enthusiasm, a lot of excitement, and I think Tesla is going to be a beneficiary of that. So take a look at Tesla, TSLA, at least for a short-term trade, maybe a week or two, maybe even a little bit longer term if we get above some of that resistance. Thanks very much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys next time.